Here's Kaya. We're about to eat some food for the first time. Christian!
Sit down.
Buckle him in.
Sit.
What are you doing? I know. Here we go. Okay, it's a little tiny bit. Just a little bit. What it...
No, Christian, sit down. Hey, sit down.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, get water. Eat your food.
Daddy gonna get you some water.
Eat your food. I'll get you some water.
Is that yummy or what? Oh, look at that. Something different, huh? Oh, yummy. Oh, yeah. You like that? You like it? You like that little bit? Oh, yeah. That's some good stuff. That's some good stuff right there. That's a little good stuff. Oh, let's see. All right.